Guys, welcome back to Ted's Rules. Today we're going to be doing a taste test between Southern Comfort Eggnog, Meadow Gold, and Dad, you say them.
Dairy Gold Old Fashioned, Dairy Gold Classic.
Okay, we're all going to take a sip of this one first.
Good? Is that normal kind?
I don't know.
Is it good? Yeah. That's normal kind. That's really good. Yeah.
Okay, now the next one.
You need a glass of water in between or what?
No.
Yeah.
That one tastes different.
Have another cigarette.
All them
It
taste.
tastes different.
Don't talk to each other. Don't influence each other.
Weird.
That kind of tastes like old fashioned.
Yeah, that's old fashioned. Yeah, it's the best one.
Nah, I'm not. Okay, now the last one.
We used to have that kind. It's eggy. It's eggs. What does it taste like? Good?
Oh, no. You can't influence each other.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm calm.
Good.
I don't know, bro.
Now you have to each go, well, whenever you're ranking them, everyone else has to go behind the wall.
Yeah. Go behind here.
What's best? Go. You have to rank them in order of 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Okay.
My turn. We did the taste test, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Why do we have to be over here? 4.
You're just going in order of the cups. What tastes best? In order of the best tasting. Have another sip if you need it. Take a sip of all of them if you need it.
Uma. Yeah, I get to. It was like eggy. Next one I know. It must have been old fashioned because it was hard to make it old back in the old days. I like the last one. First one was good. Classic. 2. The second one. The third one I think was on 3, 4. The second
Is that final answer?
Yeah. The second one was.
All right.
Okay.
End it?
Yep. Wait, no.
What do we need?
Wait, Dad, are we
Let's
supposed to do
name,
it?
Name which one is the Southern Comfort one, which is labeled the best.
All right. Took a picture just to be sure.
Are you guys unanimous on the best one?
No,
Yeah.
We're still recording.
we're not.
I love this.
All right, which one
I
was
love
the
this
Southern Comfort?
You did? That was disgusting.
There it is. Southern Comfort,
Oh, that was my third one.
Meadow Gold,
Oh, that was the best. Meadow Gold was disgusting. No, it wasn't.
Dairy Gold Old Fashioned, and Dairy Gold Classic.
Dairy Gold Classic was really good. I'm taking this. I'm drinking this. One was the
Boo!
Could I?
Bye, guys. Make sure to subscribe.
Could we take one of these?